We are pleased to show you the 2025 Yukon. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, hill descent control, 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitoring system, fog lamps. Inside you'll find adaptive cruise control, keyless start. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.